Welcome students. Now we are going to solve important sums using shortcut trick. So watch till end for understanding the trick. Okay, have a look. This is the area of quadrilateral with vertices. These 4 points is which option is correct, and my answer is area of quadrilateral is half minus 1 minus 2 0 minus 3. This is 1 plus 2 minus 1 minus 4. That's come half common 15 plus 9, that's it 12. This is the unit square unit. So area of quadrilateral is 12 unit square. That's it. Now explain it. Okay. So area of quadrilateral is determinant of half of determinant. Okay, half of determinant x1 minus x3 y1 minus y3. If then here the number of 4 points are minus 1 0 1 minus 1 2 3 minus 2 4. This is point number 1, this is point number 2, and this is point 3, and this is point number 4. So this is x1. Okay, half x1 minus 1, and this is x3 2. Okay, y1 is 0 and y3 is 3. This is the point number 3, that is x3, and this is y3 minus 3, and x2, that is point number 2. This is x2, this is x4, this is x2, this is y2, x2 minus x4, this is the point number 4. This is x4, y4 minus of minus 2. Okay, and this is y2 means this is y2 minus 1 and minus 4. And now this is your simplified form, and this is minus 3 minus 3 3 minus 5. Okay, and this will be half of minus 3 minus 5 minus 3 common 2, and it is 15 plus 9, and that's is 12, and this is my final answer. Okay, 12 square unit is the area of quadrilateral. Okay, so this type of shortcut tricks is very important for students. So do watch my video lectures in my channel, and for all other types of problems. Okay, let's move to question number 2. Question number 2. Question number 2 is limit x tends to 0 under root of 1 minus cos square x upon x. Options are A is 1, option B minus 1, option C 0, and D is not exist. Which option are correct option? Let's do the solution. And solution of this problem is limit x tends to 0 under root of 1 minus cos square x upon x equals to limit x tends to 0 under root of sine x whole square upon x. Okay, we know under root of x square is the modulus function. Okay, and this is when x is positive, and this is minus x when x is negative. So this limit is analyzing for this limit we take for left hand side and negative side of the x, that is x for positive and negative. For any modulus function, okay, or any box function, greatest integer function, we take left side and right side, and this is mod of sin x upon x. So this is limit, left hand limit is x tends to 0 minus, then this is minus sin x, because mod x is minus x when x is negative, and here mod of sin x, x negative, then sin x is negative, that is mod of sin x is minus sin x upon x, and this is minus 1. And right hand limit is limit x tends to 0 plus mod sin x, here is sin x, because x tends to 0 plus, that is sin x is plus, so mod sin of x is sin x upon x, and this is plus 1. Since for upcoming video lectures, press subscribe and bell icon. Since right hand limit not equal to left hand limit, therefore limit not exist. Limit is not exist, that is option D is the correct option. Option D is the correct option. Okay. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end, and we have various kind of videos regarding tricks and techniques of other problems and other topics on the different subjects. So do watch, and finally wish very good day. Okay.